Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make form websites. First, we lay the groundwork with HTML. Every form starts with the form tag, which acts as a container for all your input fields. Inside, you'll use label tags to give clear descriptions for each piece of information you're asking for, like a user's name or email. Then, you'll add various input types, such as text for names or email for addresses, ensuring you capture the right kind of data. Finally, a submit button, often an input type equals submit, is essential to send the collected information. Next, let's make your form visually appealing with CSS. Good styling is crucial for user experience. You can use properties like padding and margin to create comfortable spacing around your input fields, making them easy to read and interact with. Adjusting border styles, background color, and font size for inputs helps them stand out. Remember to consider responsive design, ensuring your form looks great and functions perfectly on screens of all sizes, from large desktops to small mobile phones. Now, for the crucial step of adding intelligence to your form with JavaScript. This allows for client-side validation, meaning we check the data asterisk before asterisk, it even leaves the user's browser. You can ensure all required fields are filled, that email addresses are in the correct format, and even check for password strength. Providing instant feedback to users about any errors significantly improves their experience. JavaScript also enables dynamic features, like showing or hiding fields based on previous selections, making your form highly interactive. Finally, let's talk about what happens after the user clicks Submit: backend processing and security. Your server-side script, written in languages like Python or PHP, will receive the data. It's absolutely critical to sanitize and revalidate all incoming data to protect against common web vulnerabilities, such as injection attacks. Sensitive information should be stored securely in a database, ideally encrypted. After processing, always provide clear feedback to the user, whether it's a success message or an explanation of any errors encountered.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.